Oh, there it goes. Oh, fuck, don't. That's gonna hurt.
Well, I threw it on the desk and it rolled around.
Shit. Oh my god.
How's it feel, motherfucker?
Oh, fuck. You're a dick, dude. Stop.
You stop.
Hey. I got hit by a car.
Your shoes are up on my knees. And you want to take one off your shoes. I think you took a nose down off the ugly tree. Hey, you know who sucks at this game?
You! Shut up, I'm better than you! I don't care what you think! I don't care! How about it?
Huh?
That just sucks.
No, dude, that sucks right there, see? See how it sucks?
Not funny, I can't see.
That was cool. That was cool too, man. Oh man, that was clean.
Fuck you.
Nice Mongo push, dude. Oh, what was that? A fucking retard crowd?
That was sick.
Cool ghetto bird.
Fuck you.
Oh, sweet. Oh man, that wasn't predictable. You didn't do that trick like one trick ago.
I've been riding in front of a car for 20 minutes.
Oh man, this is interesting. I love watching you skate on the street doing fly ground tricks.
Why are all the fucking stairs yellow?
Nope, I'm not a fucking producer.
Produce this, bitch.
I'll produce some shit for your mother.
I gotta bring bottles to this shit.
I don't know, because I was at her house last night.
Don't hit me out of here.
Oh, damn!
Don't hit me on cocaine.
Christian, move!
Dude.
Oh, that was dumb.
Even Retta thinks that was dumb.
Retta's being a smartass, he's kidding. I suck.
I could.
Hated the love down the dogs on top. And I'm gonna shine away to my hot top. I'm rapping MVP and I ain't going nowhere. She can get to know me, hated the love at the under.
Amazing. That was amazing.
That was buttery.
You said it.
What are you doing? Oh, fuck.
What's the matter with you?
Fuck off.